Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. So this is another parcel. I get it today, and this is pant actually. So let's unbox this, and this also from AJIO. Okay, this cost around 700. So let's unbox this package. This is direct, no packaging, nothing. So this is it. Modern tapered NETPLAY. The brand is NETPLAY brand. Modern tapered classic twill fabric, washed for perfection, and NETPLAY. NETPLAY is a good brand actually. Stretched fabric, modern casual, 32. So this is it. 100% cotton. That is not 100% cotton. That is 98% cotton and 2% stretchable material. Made in India. That is 98% cotton and 2% elastane. But this is feel good. Chinos, good chinos. Wow, chinos. Wow, nice. Feel good. Thank you.